Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifeoma. On this channel I do hairstyles for kids and I also do beauty DIYs. So please take some seconds and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so you can join the family. So in today's video guys, we are going to be making a home remedy that can help you get rid of dark knuckles, dark elbow and dark knee. Okay, that's what we are going to be making today, and if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, let's get right into the video. So first we are going to get a clean plate, and in that clean plate the first thing we are going to be adding to it is baking soda. You go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. After that, the next thing we are going to be adding is turmeric. You go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of turmeric. So the next one we are going to add here is vitamin E. I'll go ahead and add some drops of vitamin E. Then after that, we'll go ahead and add another ingredient, which is lemon. So I'll go ahead and scrape in the skin of lemon into it. Then after that, I'll still go ahead and squeeze in the juice. So while squeezing in the juice, I will squeeze a little and I will mix it because I don't want the consistency to be watery. I want to have a paste-like consistency. So that's why I will add little of the juice. Then I will mix and see if there is need to add more. So after mixing it, the next thing to add here is coconut oil. It's necessary that you add coconut oil. This will help to keep the areas well moisturized after exfoliating it with this remedy. Then after that, you go ahead and mix it well. So this is it guys, this is how you use it. You get small amount of it and you apply it on your knuckles. Then you start to massage it. Apply it on your knuckles, then you use your hand and massage it very well. Also, you apply it on the areas you have dark knuckles, like your knees, your elbow. Then you go ahead and massage it very well, okay guys? You massage it very well, it's necessary, all right? So this is it guys. Did you see how that place is still moisturized? That's why I added coconut oil, so that after massaging the places I have the dark spot, it will not be dry. Okay, so guys, that's how you use this to get rid of dark knuckles. Once you apply it, after 45 minutes you wash it off and apply your moisturizer. Okay guys, that's how you do that. So guys, that's how you make your DIY home remedy for getting rid of knuckles, black elbows and black knees. Okay, that's how you make it. See, there's something you guys have to know about DIYs. If you're trying DIYs, don't expect it to work as like this. No, it's not a chemical substance. It's something you prepared naturally at your kitchen. Okay, so don't expect it to work like this. And also, don't just use it once and come back and be shouting it doesn't work. No, now you have to try it for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks before you will see results. Yes, you have to try it for 2 weeks. Okay, and you have to be consistent. Okay, so guys, that is it for today. That's how you get rid of black knuckles, black elbows, and black knees at home. Okay guys, so please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment and share this video. Okay, and don't forget, subscribe if you haven't done so. All right, I will see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.